Hello, future homeowners! Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng murang pabahay dito sa Bataan? Welcome to Tree House, which is located at Barangay Pandatum, Hermosa, Bataan. Our featured model unit is Serenity Duplex na may lot area na 80 square meter, floor area na 60 square meter, provision for carport, dining area, 2 toilet and bath sa taas at sa baba. At syempre, 2 bedroom. The best thing about Tree House is its prime location and flood-free community. Napakalapit po nito sa lahat. Malapit ito sa Pandatum Elementary School, Palihan Wet and Dry Market, food establishment, at half kilometer away from National Highway ay mararating nyo na po ang Tree House. So if you are interested to this kind of property, you can contact us. My name is Jennifer Calmaratio, your property advisor. See you and have a nice day.